Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Valentine's day outfits on the VIP section. As you can see, they are nowhere to be found in the VIP section. Like, I cannot find the era, the harp, and whatnot, but it's actually outside of VIP, which I don't know why they put it there, but it's there. So it's actually here. You're just going to press open and you'll be able to find all of the items in the Valentine section and even the ones outside of it, but I don't know. I think it doesn't include the stuff from VIP as well, but they just put everything from the Valentine section inside and outside of VIP there if you have VIP. So I think if you don't have VIP, it will only show non-VIP stuff, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, that is where everything is, which is such a weird placement. Like, why would the VIP stuff be outside of here? But I mean, it's fine. It's just a little bit harder for me to find stuff in every update, but I'm not mad because we are getting new stuff. So yeah, that is where all of our Valentine's stuff is. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.